Do you remember when Visa cards first came out? You were used to paying with cash or with a check, and then a Visa came out. It was this weird payment system that you didn't understand. And she said, yeah, I remember that. Well, Bitcoin is just the next evolution of another payment system.
Brace yourself, Nakamoto was the foundation. What up, guys? It's your boy Nakamoto Crypto here, and today we have got incredible news. Bitcoin is now perfectly on track to $100,000, says the Stack to Flow creator. The Bitcoin price surpassed $11,700, and the creator of the Stack to Flow model says that BTC to $100,000 is well on track. Plan B, the well-known creator of the contested Stack to Flow model, believes that Bitcoin is now well on track to reach 100K as the price has risen to yearly highs. The optimistic sentiment coincides with the shift in momentum from the alternative cryptocurrencies or altcoins to BTC. He said, quote unquote, "I can't make a chart for you now at sea, but the Stack to Flow model is perfectly on track. At the same time, the price of Bitcoin has increased by 17% this week alone. That is amazing, as it broke through a major 3-year trend line. So this hasn't happened since 2017. As Cointelegraph reported, traders seemingly expect BTC to test a higher resistance level in the near term. So data shows that it might be time for Bitcoin to shine. Altcoins declined, particularly in the past 72 hours when the price of Bitcoin started to rally. Ethereum moved in tandem with BTC throughout the rally, but it slumped against BTC in the past 2 days. In the short term, as Bitcoin sees a profit-taking rally from altcoins, some investors expect BTC to outperform the altcoins. So Kelvin Kaur, the co-founder of Asia-based venture capital firm Spartan Group, said, "If BTC breaks the resistance at $11,400, we are going above 12K in no time. We will take the wind out of the alts again short term." The pattern of a Bitcoin rally following a strong altcoin season is not new. In previous cycles, the top cryptocurrency typically saw a sharp uptrend after altcoins initially gained against BTC. Such a trend materializes because investors seek safer options like Bitcoin when the altcoin markets gets overheated. Most recently, the fear of missing out, or FOMO, of retail investors around DeFi led small market cap tokens to surge substantially. In early days, the DeFi market craze, for example, Compound, saw a major rally. Then smaller tokens including Yearn Finance, Synthetics Network, Eve, Lend all followed. Eventually, a small token saw 5 to 10-fold spike in price. Investors started to take profit. The abrupt pullback of DeFi tokens coincided with a BTC rally as the momentum shifted back to Bitcoin. So a 17% rally in 6 days alone, even during a bull market, is substantial even for Bitcoin. But when the trend of BTC overwhelmingly gets bullish, a short squeeze could add more rocket to the fuel. In the past 12 hours, more than $23 million worth of shorts were liquidated, for example, as the price hits as high as $11,750. Thus, during a strong upward price trend, shorts could indirectly catalyze a larger rally. So this is it. We was worried about Bitcoin breaking the $10,000 mark. It skyrocketed past it last week, if you remember. And it jumped and it went all the way up to $11,300. Right now, as we speak, BTC is sitting at $11,800, trying to break the $12,000 mark. This rally will be epic. And this guy's Stack to Flow, he's been working on it for the last almost 2 years. People have been mocking it. but it seems to be following a trend line. One shot straight up to 100K. Believe it or not, in crypto, anything goes. A $100,000 Bitcoin will be epic and life-changing to many of us. Lastly, we have got nearly $100 million in Bitcoin moved to Ethereum in July alone, led by retail traders. So retail investors are getting into Bitcoin as we speak. Ethereum is still the most popular off-chain destination for Bitcoins as its supply of tokenized Bitcoin grew more than 70% in July. More than 20,000 BTC, worth roughly $225 million, are tokenized and used in Ethereum-based protocols. Wrapped Bitcoin, WBTC, represents 76% of the total tokenized Bitcoin supply with over 15,500 BTC tokenized. The total supply grew roughly by $96 million in July following June's record growth. So tokenized Bitcoin allowed traders and investors to dominate transactions in Bitcoin while using applications built in other blockchains. So tokenized Bitcoin is the biggest opportunity for decentralized finance's growth today, said Andy Bloomberg, president of CoinList, in an email to CoinDesk. There you have it. So could DeFi be the leader of the next BTC bull rally, as all of these tokens are like skyrocketing as we speak? And on that click, if you like the content, please don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe. For some daily crypto updates, I have been Mr. Nakamoto Crypto, and I'm out.
Bitcoin under $8,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $5,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin over $10,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $20,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $8,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $5,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $10,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $20,000.
Buy it.
Best performing asset in the last 10 years. True. Look into crypto, we need volunteers. No need to tiptoe, it won't disappear. Do your research, history made it clear.